Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Flippa Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or on the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect business listing data from Flippa for acquisition, research, and market analysis. This actor extracts structured data from Flippa business listings. It pulls key info like listing titles, asking prices, revenue and profit metrics, valuation multiples, site age, along other stuff. It's designed for buyers, investors, and researchers who want to analyze deal flow without manually browsing listings. So, how does it work? You can use the actor in two different ways. You can either paste a start URL or apply your own filters within the actor. Please know that you can only use one of the two ways. For example, if you want a URL, head over to flippa.com and then select all the filters you want. You can be as specific as you wish. Once you've set them up, simply copy the URL and paste it in here. Now, you can either start the run or schedule the actor. You can set up any interval that you wish, and the actor will automatically run. For this example, we'll only run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, each business listing appears as a row in this table on the Output tab. For each listing, you get pricing, revenue averages, profit, site age, etc. You'll also get technical details like organic traffic, authority score, integrations, and seller badges. You can also export the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, or connect it directly to your analysis workflows using the Apify API. This actor is useful for sourcing acquisition opportunities, tracking Flippa market trends, and building deal pipelines at scale. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.